Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, we've had really bad weather. It's been raining for the past 2 weeks. We've had like 2 really bad storms. It hasn't been the best weather in a long time. I just put a fistful of water down for them to bath in. For some reason, when it rains every day, and I put a fistful of water down for my birds, all of them wants a bath for some reason, even though it's been raining outside for nearly every day, so it's a bit confusing that. Nearly every single one is having a bath. That young one is doing well. Most of the young ones are doing well. That one is a young female, and that one is doing well soon as its mother died. Hopefully when the weather gets warmer, I'll be letting them out. For fly. So you guys, what's going on in the back? So this baby is doing well. It's a curved tail, or it might be a straight tail dove. Parents are a fantail and a curved tail, but another week to go, and then hopefully I'll transfer it into the outdoor aviary. Then the half fantail, the half racing Pitson babies surprisingly are doing really well. They've got foster parents at the moment. He's looking after them. Again, they're gonna be grey and white, I think. The foster parents are first-time parents, and normally at this age they have had babies off them, and their own baby has died at this age. So happy, touch wood, these babies will survive, I'm hoping. It's just a trial and error thing, what I'm trying to do. So when they have babies of their own, I can leave eggs and let them raise their own babies. But these are foster babies for raising. But yeah, doing well. Nice colour. This baby is really nice. A week to go, and then I can transfer it into an outdoor aviary. The legs are absolutely beautiful. So yeah, a week to go, and I'll transfer it outdoor. This baby, I'm a bit worried about, because it's taking a while for it to grow. It seems to be doing okay, but it's just not. It's a little bit behind these two, but hopefully it'll survive, I'm hoping. The racing Pitson and the curved-tailed dove are looking after it, and it's getting plenty of food, so yeah, I'll just have to wait and see what happens. And on that note, guys, I've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my channel. If you want to leave a comment below, please do so about any questions about my birds or your birds. I'll try and look very best to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. Look out for another update coming soon, guys.